Hi there, can you tell me who you are?
My name's Gene.
Where are you from?
I'm originally from West Philly, but I live in Salem.
Terrific, Ben Salem. You're up here today at B&B Automotive in on Route 1 in
Levittown, right?
Levittown, yeah,
Right.
close enough. And some people refer to this as Langhorne too, but it's
on the cusp.
yeah. There you go. I like that, on the cusp. Okay, that's terrific. And you just bought yourself a nice car, but we'll talk about that in a minute.
Right.
After you spin the big prize wheel and see
Okay.
how you do. All right,
Let's
give it a good
well.
spin, Gene. We'll see. Whoa! Holy
Are you
goodness, you
kidding
did
me?
it. Yeah.
Stop,
Wow.
yeah.
The chances are not good of hitting that. But
Yes,
you just
about
did it.
that.
Congratulations. That's fantastic. Okay, let's do a talk to you, and then you get the
Get that
details on the
vacation.
vacation. Yeah, that's great. Congratulations. Hi there. Can you tell me who you are?
Hi, my name's Gene.
And you just bought yourself a car here today, and as people just saw a few minutes ago, you also spun the
Oh
prize
yeah, I
wheel.
won one big.
Boy,
one
did
big
you
on
ever.
the wheel.
I'll
One
tell
big
you.
on the wheel.
Highest odds, or
Yes,
the
sir.
most difficult odds, and you got them. That's
And I
great.
got it.
Yep. So fantastic. Congratulations. I wanted to ask a couple of questions. How did you get on to us? How did you find out about the
Well, because
dealership?
my wife got a car here about 2 years back from Layton, and she referred me to go there when it was time for me to get a new car.
Okay.
So I decided to come here, finally.
Oh, great. And you got the same salesperson.
Same salesperson,
Oh, that's
yep.
wonderful. Nice guy. Very good guy. Are you pleased with the deal? And
Oh
how
yeah,
you're
I'm
treated?
very pleased to do it right now. Yes, I am.
That's great. Okay.
Very
And what do you
pleased.
do for a living?
I have about a couple of occupations.
Okay.
I am a home health aide / CNA, and I also do custodial work. I'm a supervisor, and I'm also a security guard.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you said you got a couple jobs. You have three jobs.
I say 2.5.
Yeah.
2.5.
Okay. All right.
2.5.
You're definitely a busy man.
Yeah, 6 days a week.
Wow.
Sunday is my fun day.
Oh, that's good. Are you a
My rest
football
day.
fan? You an Eagles fan?
No, I won't. Yes. Yes.
That's great. Okay, well, we're not going to hold you up any longer. We're going to get you on the road, and after you just stop by and see Layton, we'll get the details on that vacation trip.
Yes.
And congratulations.
I am so ready to go. I'm ready to take my vacation in the car now.
I can understand that.
Yes.
All right, you take care, Gene. We'll see
All
you
right,
later.
thank
Bye.
you.